a minor girl who was set ablaze in Odisha. This is the latest far as her health is concerned. She is likely to be airlifted. The victim is going to be shifted to AIIMS Delhi. AIIMS Bhubaneswar, where she was getting treatment, has said that she is stable. The transfer is going to happen via a special chartered flight. So that's the latest coming in, that the burn victim is going to be shifted to the national capital. She's going to be shifted to AIIMS in Delhi. Remember, that incident had led to a massive outrage and a political slugfest as well. My colleague is joining us live on the broadcast, and we're going to get more details on the same. All right, if you could give us more details on what's happening on the ground, Satish. क्या पता चल रहा है, लड़की की इस वक्त कंडीशन कैसी है? खबरें ये भी आ रही हैं कि उन्हें एम्स दिल्ली में अभी शिफ्ट करा जा रहा है।
देखिए, कल जैसे मुख्यमंत्री ने बताया था, सरकार पूरा तैयार है कि उनको जब उनकी स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्था में सुधार आएगी, स्वास्थ्य में, उसको एयरलिफ्ट किया जाएगा। अभी थोड़ा जो सुबह डायरेक्टर ने बता रहे थे, उनका ब्लड प्रेशर सही चल रही है, उनको ऑक्सीजन सपोर्ट में रखा गया है और ये जो रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम जो है उसको मॉनिटरिंग किया जा रहा है। अभी थोड़ा उनकी हेल्थ कंडीशन सही हुआ तो इसलिए उनको लाइफ सपोर्ट एम्बुलेंस में उसको एयरपोर्ट के लिए लिया जाएगा। अभी एम्स से एयरपोर्ट के लिए 10 मिनट लगेगा। पूरा ग्रीन कॉरिडोर बनाया गया है और एयरपोर्ट से उनको दिल्ली एम्स के लिए लिया जाएगा। पूरा तैयार है। वहां से जो फ्लाइट चार्टर जाएगा वो तैयार किया गया है। यहाँ से अभी कुछ देर बाद निकली गई है, वो कुछ समय अंदर पहुंच जाएंगी एयरपोर्ट में। एयरपोर्ट से उनको सीधा दिल्ली के लिए रवाना होंगे वो।
All right, and we have reaction also coming in, of the doctors there. Let's listen in, viewers.
Nowadays, we can also shift the patient to AIIMS Delhi, and we are planning for shifting.
How many times it will take?
Maybe within 2 hours, within 2.5 hours.
How the victim condition is now?
And it is stabilized. A little bit patient has improved, so it is time probably safe to transfer.
You have already talked to the AIIMS?
Yes, already communicated.
What will be the procedure?
Procedure says the patient will be shifted by special chartered flight, and the patient will go there.
All right, so that's the latest coming in, viewers, and that had led to obviously a massive political slugfest as well. That horrific incident coming to light from Puri, and now what we know at the moment is that AIIMS Bhubaneswar has basically said that the girl is going to be transferred to the national capital. She will be treated further in AIIMS Delhi. The victim is going to be shifted to AIIMS. That's the latest coming in, viewers. Now we are shifting our focus to another big breaking news coming in.